Good morning, you all. Good morning, you all. Good morning. You're having breakfast. You're having fun. All wondering, why is she disturbing our peace? Why don't she go about her business? Hmm, you're enjoying yourself. Right. Good to see you. That one busily eating. Busily eating. Another Woodstock over there, busily eating too. Alright. Look at those pink and white ones. Look at their beaks. Let's see if I can get it closer. They have that spoon-shaped beak. Alright, I'll tell you about them later when I post this video. Okay. Alright, they're so nice. Alright.